We're back, and today we're going to do a video on how to train your dog. This is an example of a bad dog.
No.
Okay, first we're going to start off with the walk.
No.
Go.
No.
As you can see, this dog is not trained very well, and her owner and his owner has to run after him. Okay. Can your dog fetch? Okay, now watch this example of a bad dog. Okay.
No.
Coco, look at the ball, look at the ball. Okay, go fetch. You see what I mean? Does your dog bark at random people? Coco, get over here, stop. Coco!
No, Coco. Does your dog obey?
This dog doesn't.
Coco, sit. Sit. Come on. Coco. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, sit. Sit. Look at the cookies. Look. Sit.
Roll over.
Roll over. Come on, do something.
Okay, can you run? Can you run?
Come on. Come on.
Or does it stumble and trip you? Cut. Does your dog make a mess when he drinks water? Here, hold this. You see all that mess around the place? Do normal dogs do that? I don't think so. Friendly, or is he a beast?
Oh, no. No.
Coco, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Oi! Ow! Good baby.
This is an example of both. This dog is mainly aggressive, and yet he's friendly. Coco! Cookie! Oh, he's so cute.
Oi, he's Sandra.
Okay.
Oh, my baby.
Okay.